1, 2x plus y equal to what? To 5. What is y? Y is negative what? All we need to do is substitute. So we'll copy 2x plus our y is what? 3. So we say negative 3 then equal to what? To 5. Positive times negative, what will be the answer?
Negative.
So we say 2x minus 3 will be equal to what? 5. Then from there, what do? We separate negative 3 from what? 2x. So how do we separate that one? We introduce the additive inverse of negative what? 3. What is the opposite sign of negative 3? Therefore, this is going to be now 2x equal to what? 5 plus 3. That is the additive inverse of what? Negative 3. So mean that if it goes that side, it becomes what? A positive. Now let's add 5 plus 3. What will be the answer?
8.
So we are saying 2x is equal to what? 8. Then what do we do there? We divide by 2. So the value of x now is equal to what? 4. So therefore x is 4 and y is negative what? Negative 3. So this is how you can combine elimination and what? Substitution. Minus 3x plus y minus 1 equal to 10 minus 9. So 4x minus 3x will remain with what? X. So just x. Then y minus y is a 0. So these they are cancelled. So we have eliminated them. Now we are saying x is equal to 10 minus 9, 1. So the value of x is what? 1. Straight away now we need to find what? Y. So how do we find y? We are saying that you are going to introduce what? Substitution method. So in this case now, we will get any equation out of the two. You can pick number 1 or number what? 2. Number 2. It's up to you. So which one should we pick? 1 or 2?
2.
So we are getting number 2, 3x plus y should be equal to what? 9. What's the value of x?
1.
So we are saying 3. This is 3 times x. So you open the bracket and put what? 1 where there is x. Then plus y equal to what? 9. So you are saying 3 times 1, what will be the answer?
3.
So it's 3 plus y equal to what? 9. Then from there we separate 3 from y. So we need to introduce its additive what? Inverse. What is the opposite sign of positive 3?
Negative.
So you are saying y now is going to be equal to what? 9. Its opposite sign is negative what? 3. So if it's a positive here, there it becomes a what? A negative. So you are saying that y is equal to 9 minus 3. What will be the answer? 6. So the answer is now what? 6. So the value of y is equal to what? To 6. Therefore, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to what? To 6.